Viewers, welcome to Vidhi Vyakyan. Nowadays, we are hearing about the word Pegasus spyware, and lots of discussions are ongoing regarding this matter. So, today in this video, we will learn what exactly is Pegasus and how this Pegasus get installed in our device, and whether it is lawful for the government to surveillance our communication or intercept our communication, and most importantly, what are the precautionary steps to be taken to avoid this spyware getting installed in our device. So we will discuss all these aspects in this video. What is Pegasus? Pegasus is developed by Israeli company NSO, which infects electronic device and spies on target device by transferring data to attacker in an unauthorized manner without the knowledge of a person, and it works on zero-click vulnerability. Earlier, there were malwares or spywares which get automatically installed into our device on clicking some links through apps. But this is not in the case of Pegasus. It works on zero-click vulnerability, which means it can enter device through vector and can spy mobiles and computers, and it does not require any action from the device user. Recently, the Global Collaborative Investigation Project has reported that in India, Pegasus targeted at least 300 people, which includes union ministers, leaders, and several journalists and businessmen. Reports are saying that NSO company only deals with the governments, not for the private agencies. Now let us look into what happens if Pegasus gains control over our device. Pegasus, based upon the instructions given by the attacker, gains automatically access to all data of a device, and it can turn on camera, microphone, chats, contacts, emails, SMS, and can record our conversations. The spyware can continue to send signals to the server till it is detected, and it can destroy itself before it gets detected. Now the issue is whether the government can spy a person's communication. The answer is yes. Privacy of an individual is not absolute right in India. It is subjected to certain limitations. In India, we have two enactments. One is Indian Telegraph Act 1885 and other is Information Technology Act 2000. These two enactments regulates the interception of communication in India. As per Section 5 of Telegraphic Act 1885, it empowers central or state government which can intercept communication of a person only if it is in public interest or public emergency or based upon the restrictions specified under Article 19 subclause 2 of Indian Constitution. And Section 25 strictly prohibits unauthorized interception of communication, and under IT Act Section 69 grants power to central or state government to intercept electronic communication with the prior permission of Secretary of Home Affairs of central or state government. And in 2008, the ministry also issued a notification which granted power to investigation agencies such as IB, CBI, ED, NCB, CBDT, DEI, NIA, RAW, DSI, and Delhi Police Commissioners are empowered to intercept electronic communication. Now let us look into the precautionary measures which can avoid spywares getting installed in our device. As of now, there is no such precaution which can avoid getting Pegasus spyware getting installed in our device, but we can avoid other malwares which get automatically installed through our device. As experts suggest to keep our device on auto update mode, and several experts suggest not to click on the suspicious links which we receive through WhatsApp and other apps, and not picking up the suspicious calls which we receive through other apps and through WhatsApp. So by taking these measures, we can avoid several of spywares and malwares getting installed in our device.